Hi, Anna Fernandez here, offering you some tips and tricks for litigation. And today we're actually going to talk about family cases and divorces and when you can actually file a divorce in Florida, because not everyone can just come here to this state and, hey, I want to get in a divorce and just file an action. It doesn't work that way. In order for you to be able to qualify to be able to file a divorce in Florida, you have to show that you or your spouse have lived in Florida or is a Florida resident for at least 6 months prior to filing for your divorce. You can't just come here and with the intent of, hey, I love the laws in Florida. I'm just going to live here for 6 months and file for divorce after the 6 month requirement. That it doesn't work that way. You have to actually show an intent that you want to make Florida your permanent residence. So before you file a divorce, just be sure to be living in Florida and wanting to live here indefinitely, because that is the criteria. You can't just say I'm going to live here for years. It actually has to be indefinitely. There's case law that says that. But showing that you have either a property or your driver's license or something like that, that would qualify you as meeting the residency requirement. There are some cases that, for example, if you, let's say you've been living here for years, the residency requirement is not necessarily an issue in the sense that like you have the intent and there's no doubt about that, but your driver's license is expired. What you would do in that case is you would be able to file something that's called an affidavit of a corroborating witness. And if you're in court, in person in court, and this is at the very end of your case to pretty much finalize everything, you could bring in a witness and say, hey, I'm so and so's coworker. I've known so and so for 10 years, and she's been living here for at least 6 months prior to filing for the action. So what's key is intent. You have to meet that 6 month requirement. And if you don't have something to actually show it as of, a valid driver's license or something that has not expired, you could always bring a cooperating witness and or file an affidavit. You file the affidavit if the person is not going to go to court. And right now, since we're dealing with a lot of virtual stuff because of the pandemic, a lot of courts will most likely allow you to just submit the affidavit without having to go to a hearing and without having that person come in and testify to the court. So if you have any questions regarding family law cases or litigation in Florida, please reach out to us. Let us know, because we love creating content to help you and we just want to better serve you. So shoot us an email, drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Have an awesome day.